Good morning, mighty bulldogs. This is Miss Estrada with your morning announcements.
And this is Miss Talamas. Today is a fantastic Friday, January the 8th, and today is a B-Day.
Now please join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now, the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join me for a moment of silence.
Oh, Miss Estrada, we have to celebrate some birthdays, you know? Let me tell you that we have a 6th grader, Destiny Marie Rodriguez. She's her birthday. Do you think it's gonna have a chocolate cake today? I hope so. We have another 7th grader, Alan Benitez Granados. Happy birthday, sweetie. And we have an 8th grader, Chris Baca. 8th grader, Destiny and Alan, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. They also share a birthday with someone famous.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Who's the famous person?
It's Elvis Presley.
Oh my God, Elvis Presley, the king. And tell me more about him.
So Elvis is the king of rock and roll. Yeah. He was born on January 8th, 1935. So he has a history of being a songwriter, guitarist, a singer, a screenwriter. He's been in a lot of movies. If you don't know who Elvis is, he is someone you need to look into.
Oh my God, Destiny, Alan, Chris. Oh my God, you're sharing your birthday. Well, Miss Estrada, this is all yours. College.
We're so proud of our class of 2021, and now we're going to talk about some college acceptances that came through throughout the holiday break. So we have a lot to celebrate today.
And can we know the names?
Yes. So
okay, let's go.
Let's start with students that got into Austin College. We have Jesus Gabriales and Amy Pichardo.
Good. And
Amy
then?
also got into Texas State University. And the following students got into Concordia.
Oh, Jesus Crispin, Lari Vences, Miriam Luna, Tania Rodríguez y Daniela Ávila. También María Díaz. Pero Daniela y María han sido aceptadas en otras escuelas.
Yes, Daniela got into Houston Tilston and Maria into A&M Corpus Christi.
Wow. Michael tercero. Oh.
He got into Houston Tilston and A&M San Antonio, and the following students all got into Houston Tilston.
Alexis Magaña, Ashley Benítez, Dani Pereira, Elmer González, Janie Serna, Julian Hernández, Manuela Nieto, y Marco Rico. Congratulations. What about Sara Estrada?
She got into Kalamazoo.
And what about Gumaro?
Might be going out of state. I don't know. He got into MSU Denver and Dominican University.
Great. And what about Desiree? Beautiful baby.
Desiree got into Southwestern University.
Good.
The following students also got into St. Edward's University.
So Juan Argote, Cristal Juárez, Jason Alfaro, Jason Castillon, also
Texas Tech.
And Samantha Rodriguez.
Yes, and then we have St. Mary's University, Litzy Vaca, and Samuel Tudon, who also got into Texas State University.
Great.
The following students got into A&M Corpus Christi.
So Analicia Arriaga, Aurelio Ávila, Benny Rodriguez, Eric Perez.
And we got more.
Oh my God. What about Josue? Josue is our singer. You know that?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, Josue.
He has a really cool band.
Sí.
So he got into A&M San Antonio, and so did Julio Alvarado. Julio also got into Our Lady of the Lake University, Concordia, and Houston Tilton.
Oh my God. Lucy Cruz.
Luz Cruz got into A&M University in College Station and Texas State.
Wow. What about Jonathan Cruz?
He's got into A&M University, University of Texas at Dallas, and UT Austin.
UT Austin. Lilian Morazan.
Texas Lutheran University.
Kevin Garcia.
Texas Southern University.
My God. Jason Arroyo.
You got into Texas State and St. Edwards.
Mia de la Cruz.
Texas State and St. Mary's. And the following got into Texas State University.
Christopher Beltran, Fridita Vega, Salma Rivas, Yahaira Sanchez, Elizabeth Santos, also going to
The Texas Women's University.
Good. And Fernando Vargas also goes to
Texas State University, St. Edwards, and University of Dallas.
And what about Danny Santos?
Danny got into Texas State University, A&M San Antonio, and Houston Tildston.
Wow. What about Jose Hernandez?
Texas State University, A&M San Antonio, and St. Mary's.
Anita Hernandez?
Townsend University and Michigan State University.
And what about Erika Hernandez?
University of North Texas.
And finally, our beautiful Emily Cuevas.
University of North Texas and Houston Tildston.
Miss Estrada, congratulations to all of you. All of you, we love you so much and we're so proud of you.
We're so close to getting to that 100%, Miss.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. We're on track. We're on track. All right. So 11th graders, this is a message for you.
If you are tired of sitting in front of the computer and you want to pick up a packet, feel free to stop by any day. You can pick it up any day of the week, starting today at 3 p.m.
On Friday at 3 p.m. So started? Yes, today at 3 p.m. So they have to find out a Dropbox, right? Why Dropbox outside on Vargas Road? Oh, that's a good idea. And it's 24/7. So not just during school hours. So
That's right.
Great idea, 11th grade. If you're tired about your computer, like this little, look at him. Yes. Come and pick your packet. Attendance is important. Why is important, Miss Estrada?
It's important that you participate in all your classes, whether it's virtual or in person. If you miss more than 18 school days, you cannot receive credit, and that is by law.
Oh my God.
So you want to be present. If you didn't do really well with attendance last semester, make sure you are logging in to all your classes every day for semester 2.
Great. And this is a semester 2. So this is important. Okay? Questions? Do you have any question? Just send a text. This is a phone. Or just follow us on Facebook. BulIDOGS, dear BulIDOGS. Remember all the time. Remember that BulIDOGS are
determined.
We are optimistic.
Generous.
And always we're strong.
And if no one tells you today, remember that we love you.
We love you.
Believe
in you. And always will. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Imagine